Hello everyone, as you can see we have an LED lighting kit in front of us. What we're going to do is go ahead and apply the LED lights to the Scout Trooper, which I recently put together. I'll leave a link to the Scout Trooper up there. That way if you're interested in watching that video you can maybe learn a little bit about it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out of the box here today, and then we're going to go ahead and attach it to the existing Scout Trooper. I've never done one of these before, so we're going to learn how to do this together. And if you have any questions while I'm doing this, make sure to ask down below. I'm happy to answer it for you. The first question was, how much was it? It was like 20 bucks on Amazon, so it was a little more than I'd probably want to do, but I'm really curious to see how this works. I've got another one on the way for another one of the helmets that I've done from a different company, and that one was only 10 bucks, so we'll see how that goes, but we'll see. I've, again, never done this before, so we'll see what this actually looks like. So put that over there. Looks like everything is bundled very nicely, so happy about that. Things are labeled super well. I mean, wow. Very well. It looks like this is if we wanted to do batteries. So I think it does batteries as well as USB, but again, I could be wrong. I might be getting it combined, getting it confused with a different one. So it looks at lots of different models here. So the service card, as far as what to do if we're happy, content. Interesting. Okay. Very interesting. All right, so we'll put the service card over there. We've got our user guide. It shows us what to do. Okay. Interesting. Probably read that. I'm not going to. I was definitely a gifted kid. Anyways, let's see what we got here. Alrighty. So, only one way to insert it, otherwise it will be damaged. Over there. Just taking a look. Interesting. I like to look at the whole thing first before I actually start doing this. Instructions are somewhat decent, so I'm not complaining. Okay. Wow. Okay, so lots of very small wires. As you can see, that's how we're going to wire this thing. Oh my. Well, this is just going to be fun. All right, so we're going to put this thing together. I'm probably going to do it sped up a little bit. That way you guys don't have to watch me do the whole thing together. Oh, okay. Yeah, all right. I'm going to definitely do this at an increased speed. But if you have any questions, let me know. I'm just going to put it together using the instructions best way that I can. All right, we'll be right back. All right, so after some trial and error, I was able to find that the battery pack was not working. And also, the USB works except for two lights, and it's the two that go on the side here. If I unplug both of those, everything is fine. So I'm guessing that that's where the problem is. I'm hoping that's where the problem is, and that's the only issue that I run into. I was having the USB run really hot earlier. I'm not having that problem now, which is good. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and contact Briksmax regarding those two lights. And maybe I just got a dud pack, and maybe that's what the issue is. With those two plugged in, it got super hot, and all the power went out on the entire unit. So that is that. So let's go ahead. I'll go ahead and get everything cleaned up on the desk. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take the power down, and you can see exactly how it looks. I'm not going to go ahead and clean up all the wires, only because I want to make sure that I can get the other two replacements and then rewire those all together, because otherwise it would just be a pain. So I will be right back. Yeah, so it lights up really well. I'm really happy with the way that it looks. Like I said, I just wish that these side lights would have worked. I will definitely be contacting Briksmax. But other than that, I mean, it looks really good. I haven't had it running hot ever since I disconnected those wires, which makes me think that there's definitely something wrong with them. This definitely lights everything up though, so super happy with that. If you have any questions, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested, I'll keep you apprised of the situation as far as what happens with Briksmax. So with that, have a great day.